Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. See, last class we want to start F test, I think so, in small samples. Correct? See, F test should be test for to test whether if there is any significant difference between two estimate population variants, or test the two samples have come from the same population. We use F test. In this case, we set up null hypothesis, everything okay. Take down. F ratio always you can keep. The numerator should be greater variance. Denominator should be smaller variance. Always more than one you will get actually. Note down. This is the degree of freedom. DOF means degree in mu1 is equal to n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1. So in table, that degree of freedom 5% value available in F test. This you can see. See, in first problem, see, in one sample of 8 observation, you have a notes, I think. So check. We don't having notes open. The same problem we are reading or not seeing. In one sample of 8 observation, the sum of the squares of the deviation of the sample values from the sample mean was 8.84.4, and the other sample of 10 observation, it was 102.6. Test whether the finite difference is significant at 5% level of significance. Check. Same problem or not? In one sample of 8 observation, the sum of the squares of the deviation of the sample values from the sample mean was 84.4. In the other sample of 10 observation, it was 1 or 2.6. Test the whether the sample is significant at 5% level. This level of significance. Now we can take here N1 is what? 8. N2 is what? 10. X bar given. Then Y bar you can take. Prepare. X square X is what? This you can take actually, sorry. Now F what you will take already I told you. Always greater than value you can take. F value is suppose S1 should be always greater. So S1 means what? Don't take first value is S1. Which is the highest value that you can take? Always in numerator. So what you will get F value? If people are there or not, nobody is talking. What is F? What is F? Numerator should be always greater than greater variance. What is F value here?
Sir, 12.05.
Very good. Divided by 11.4. Always greater value you can write in keep numerator. So what is the value? CF is equal to 1. What is the value you got? 1.057. This is calculated value, observation value. What I told you always, observation value less than tabulated value means accept H0. Correct? Huh? Now, tabulated value you can see. Tabulated value, how can you see? The degree freedom at 5% C. Tabulated value of degree freedom is what? 7, 9. That is degree freedom multiplied. First observation is 7. 8 means 8 minus 1, 7. Second one is mu 2 is what? Which is the highest value you can take first actually. Mu 1. So in table is available. Everyone is having table. Table is there or not? Or is someone I have sent one table. You can see in gamma 1, mu 1 and mu 2. Mu 1 is the highest value, mu 2 is the smallest value. But 7, 9 I want to see how you will do. Up to clear, this is, see how you will see the table. Shall I rub off top? Shall I rub off the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. See, table given as is. Going like this. But I want actually f of 7, 9. Yes. But here is see, mu 1 if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 is it? 7 how you will get? So I can get actually 6, 9 value I can get. Then I can get 7, 9 value, 8, 9 I will get. But how to get 7, 9? You can do it mathematically in small school, you have done actually for 6, 9, this is the value, for 8, this is the value, 7, how much you can do, the average you can find. Otherwise, find average, 6 plus 8, these two values average you can find, you will get the tabulated value. What is tell me that value? Three 3.322 average you can find out what you will get. 3.33 plus 3.22 by 2. What is the value? Tell me. What is that value? Tabulated value is what I got. So if it is not there also, don't worry. If you want, you can find. For 6, 9 this much. 7, 9 how much you can find. Otherwise 6 and 8 means what average means I can find out. So table value, if it is not available also such a way you can find out. Similarly, see the next problem. In one sample of a 10 observation from a normal population, the sum of the squares of the deviation of the sample values from the sample mean is sum of the squares of the deviation value. So x minus x bar 1 or 2.4. And another sample 12 observation from the another normal population, sum of the squares of the deviation of the sample value from the sample mean is 120.5. Examine whether two normal population have the same variances. The next problem, example 2, I sent you one small sampling notes. They are available. Now we can do, and then that is what question 2. It's not you can take. Two normal population have the same variance. Here who is greater value x1, so x1 square you can take down. Now calculated value how we will find out. Degree freedom is what actually from 9, 11 I want to see. From table you will get 2.90. Now, how you will find this? In table, actually 9, 11 is not there. What you will do? 8, this can 10, 12 you can do average. Actually 8, 11 you will get. Then 12, 11 you will get. For 4 values difference, this is the watch. Means how much means, but for one value how much you can get. Then you add actually. You get 9, 11 you will get. See, getting or not? Now you can see 8, 11 what you will get actually. The 10, 12 value you can add actually. 10, 12 what you are getting. Check the table. Otherwise, 8, 12 you can add actually. What is the value? 8, 10 value you can add in table. 8 and 10 you can see what is the value from the table you see. Tell me. What is the value 8, 10? Are you having table or not? Check. What is the value? 8, 10. 3.07, correct? 3.07. Then, now what you will see? 8, 12 you can see. First value only 5%, down value is 1% values. Top values you can take. 8, 12 how much? Wait, 8 tables. Okay. 8, 12, 2.85, correct? Now, these two values, if we average is what you will get, the 8, 11 you will get. The average you can find out. What is the value? Are you getting or not? 3.07 divided by 2.87 by 2. How much value? Tell me. What is the value?
2.9.
Average got it, huh? Okay. 2.97. Now what you will do means what? Similarly you can see 12, 10, 12, 12 you can see. 12, 12 value is 12, 10 is what? What is 12, 10? 2.91, correct? 12, 12. 12 is 2.69. Check 2.69 or 59. 2.69. What is the value? Find out this value.
$2.8, sir.
2.8. Now we see for A 2.88.
88.
Okay. See, now actually I got this value is what for 8 level. This is for 12 level. This value is what f of 8 level. This is what f of 12 level. Now, but what I want, f of 911 I want, correct or not? See, what is the difference you see? 8 to 12, what is the difference? 4 values. For 4 values, how much increasing actually 2.97 minus 2.88, that value will get it. For 4 values, this much means for 1 value how much? So this into this divided by 4. Then that you can subtract from there. 2.97 you will get for 911 you will get. Getting or not? So that is the way of doing. If you're not there with such a way you can find out. Now you can difference, you can find out 2.97 minus 2.88, how much, tell me? What is the value? 0.17. 4 values difference is what? 0.17. So what I am telling, for 1 value how much you can do? Just you can do 1 into 0.17 by 4. What is the value you can find out? What is the value? 0.17 by 4 you can find out. Point 0.04 something getting a.
So 0.0425.
0.0425. So for 1 value is what? This is the difference. Now we can subtract from this. 2.97 means that. So what you will get, the new value is for 911. For 4 values, this is the difference. Means 1 value I got. So for 8 to 9 means what? 1 value. Suppose 10 means what? For 2 values I know. 11 means what? 3 values I will find out. Getting or not? So the way of doing like this, such a way you can do. So if you get this is part is given actually in textbook. Wait. 2.91 is given actually. Nine 11. So some textbook, some wrong value, maybe 2.91, here approximately is telling. That is the same thing, 2.93 you will get. Exactly if you do this, what you will do, 2.93 something you will get, or 90. So it's telling approximately. So textbook, the calculated value is, observed value is what? 10 na 1 na? 1 point I think so. So calculated value is what? 11.37. Which problem you are doing? Example second. Second means this is okay. Tabulated value is what? That's observed value 1.0. So from tabulated value is what? Observation value is less than tabulated means what? Accept H naught. So both are same. You can conclude like this. You can do. Okay, yeah. Next, this problem you can try. So if test over means the small samples over. Then large samples I left this one problem. What is this? Chi-square test that I will do is that over 4th unit. Now this problem at least you can try. The table value you can see carefully. If it is not available also, you can see. Now take this problem. See, the time taken by workers in performing a job by method 1, method 2 is given below. So method 1, method 2, do the data show that the variances of the time distribution from the population from the which is these samples are drawn do not differ significantly. So is given x given. So you have to do what x bar, you have to find out x minus x bar, you have to find out. Then y is there, y minus y bar, you have to find y minus y bar whole square, you have to find out. Just do the table actually. Draw the table. X given. Prepare exact values. Then x minus x bar you can prepare. Then x minus x bar whole square. Similarly, y given y values. You prepare y minus y bar. Then y minus y bar whole square. Prepare the table first. Do yourself. Prepare x values already available. You can write 20, 16, 26, 27, 23, 22. X bar, what we get, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you can add, divide by 6. We get x bar. What is x bar? Tell me. This total may be 134. If we copy this, I will rub off this. No, do yourself actually. Later I will do. So similarly, you can do like this F test. People are there or not?
Yes, sir.
Lahari is there? Are you there, Lahari? Lahari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Doing or not? Sleeping, I think so.
No, sir.
Why so dully talking? Hold. Symbolically, I tell you. The tabulated values carefully conceive. You don't be taskmatically average how to find. You see, sometimes I'm taking horizontally, sometimes I'm taking vertically. Okay. You only told do on table, but you are not talking. At least you open the notes, what I given that PDF, just take, print out and prepare. Don't see on mobiles, fully simply. X minus X bar you can prepare. Calculated value also, if you want, I will give you. F tables 4.95.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Class prepare பண்ணிக்கலாம். வேற ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Sir,
வேற ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கலாம். HOD கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. அவங்க வந்து ரெண்டு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க. அவங்களே கேட்பாங்க. ஐஐடி இப்போ நியூ ஸ்டாஃப் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. சொல்றாங்க.
sir. Basics of fluid dynamics.
11 பண்ணிடலாம். நீ 11:30 ஒரு வைவா இருக்கா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம்.
Sir, I'll do with you, sir.
அப்படி கிடையாதுமா, ஒரு மணிக்கு வந்தா அப்புறம் பேப்பர் எதுவும் ஒரு
No, sir, I will work hard, sir.
பண்ணாது வரல அப்புறம் ஃபீல் ஆகும், ஐயோ எங்கிட்ட ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டோம்.
Not like that, sir. I work
பேப்பர்ஸ்
you.
நிறைய இருக்க வேண்டும், பப்ளிஷ் ஆகுது. நிறைய எங்க சூப்பரா இருப்பாங்க, நிறைய அவங்க பண்ணுவாங்க மெத்தட்ஸ் வேற எல்லாம் வரவே
Sir, I present, sir.
ஓகே.
And nothing bad, sir. I will do work hard with you, sir. What?
அது ரிசல்ட் வரலன்னு ஃபீல் ஆகக்கூடாது.
Okay, sir. I will.
பிகாஸ் 3 பேர் ஆல்ரெடி இன்னும் 2 பேர் கேட்டாங்க, 8 பேர் கொடுப்பாங்க, லாஸ்ட்ல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவாங்க, அப்புறம் யாராவது கூட அப்புறம் மூவ் ஆகுவாங்க.
Okay, sir.
நம்ம இஷ்டமா ஹெச்ஓடி மாட்டே இருப்பாங்க.
Because they are asking supervisor name, sir.
சும்மா கேட்பாங்க அவ்வளவுதான்.
Sir, as a SRM student, I know, sir. So that I'm asking you, sir. I have interest in fluid dynamics because physics.
வீட்ல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. இப்போ செஸ்குமார் ஒரு சார் விஜயகுமார் இருக்காரு, சாமான் இருக்காரு, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, சாமான் சார் பார்க்கலாம்.
12 o'clock I'll come here, sir.
ஒரு 11:30 ஒரு மீட்டிங் இருக்கு, 11:30 வைவா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்.
Okay, sir. You say the time I'll come here.
ஆமா, 11:30 11:45 ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். 11:30 கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி நான் மீட்டிங் முடிச்சு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
இல்லைன்னா ஒரு 11 அந்த மீட்டிங் நான் போச்சு. ஓகே, கம்ப்ளீட்டா 11:30 பண்ணலாம்.
Okay, you will be here.
நான் இங்க எங்களுக்கு ஒன்று போல
I can't, sir.
இல்லை ஃபோன் நம்பர் இருக்கு, 984.
No, sir. 98410 400
98400 410 400 45 44.
Thank you, sir. I'll be at 11:30. Thank you.
Find out x minus x bar, what you are getting. Now remaining you can do. Now can you able to do or not? Then you can find S1 square. There is no significant. There is no significant difference between two variants you can get. Then f is equal to what you get now? Who is greater value? S2. Then S2 you can use a numerator. That is very, very important. Always numerator should be greater variance. So always you get more than one, you have to get actual value. That is a meaning. It's not a point values, decimal values. Now that's why table you can 6 and 5 I can see. Mu1 is 6, n minus 1, 7 is there, 7 minus 1, 6. 6 is equal 6 minus 1, 5. Tabulated value is 490. Calculated values are 1.3. So observation value is less than tabulated values, accept H0. So there is no signal accepting H0. Very, very important. So table values you can see. Otherwise the examination they may you actually be tell actually can ask them to put the tabulated values. We will discuss actually. Similarly, next problem also the given table. Next problem also example 8 also table given sample A, sample B. So I have problems over almost I have done. See example 9 problem is in the textbook what I sent there actually. Two horses A and B were tested according to the time in seconds to run a particular track with the following result: horse A, horse B. Test whether the two horses have the same running capacity. Null hypothesis you can see always if they have the same running capacity. But table is I'm giving this try this problem please. or null pass or to take it here. If I want, I will do tabulated value. F table. Then we obviously do the things. 4.3. This is tabulated value. Now x is in your hand, y is in your hand. Just you can find x bar, y bar, then x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square, by n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1, which is the highest value that you can take numerator. F value you can find out. Tabulated value you can decide actually. They have the same repeating capacity. This time reading problem, if you want, you can see. Two horses A and B were tested according to the time in seconds to run a particular track with the following results: horse A, horse B. Test whether the two horses have the same running capacity. Find out what is x1 x bar, you can tell. What is y bar, you can tell. What is s1 bar, you can tell me. What is s2 bar, you can tell me. Fast. Tabulated value also available. Just you can do. Next class we can do chi-square test. This is very important chi-square test. That will come actually large samples last part. I have not done actually. For examination it's not there in our syllabus. Second cycle test we just do it. Now we do that. There is a third unit last time. This is fourth unit completed by this. X bar, what you got for first values? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. What is X bar? What is sigma X? Nobody is doing. What you got X bar? have to find out this from table. Just I am writing directly. You have to frame the table. See, in table two values are there for vertically. So don't confuse. One is 5%, this is 1% level of significance. Only top values only contain. So many absents actually. Only 40 members. 40 members are there out of 68. Everyone received their marks in cycle test 2. So any changes? Date over, I think so. Complete this problem, but you can frame the table. Don't do copy down directly. So by this unit 4, then unit 3 pi square test is there. That we will do in next class. Completed is from all of you. But table you can fill. Don't copy down blindly. X minus x bar you have to prepare, y minus y bar you have to prepare, square you have to prepare from table. After that, it's steps you can do. All notes you can take, print out, this you can read, don't read from the mobile and laptop. Don't understand. Take hard copy and you can practice. Okay, now we can leave, no problem.